Okay, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to show you how to insert and use a simple graphic in a Fusion 360 scenario. So what I'm going to do here is go back one tab maybe and just do an image search. I searched for Skyrim because I'm a beast. And so the first thing I want to do is hit Tools and change color to black and white. Okay, so that filters out a lot of stuff. And then type, maybe let's go line drawing and see if that filters. Oh my gosh. So check that out. That's kind of what we want. Or maybe this, something really simple that we can then use in our CAD program. This one looks legit, so I have no idea what this is though. Master Achievement in the Elder Scrolls. I don't know if I feel that. Ooh, this is kind of a cute one. Up the classic. Let's maybe do this one. So this is the image I'm intending to use. It's very simple. It's black and white. It's got positive and negative shapes. And so those are all the good things that I want. I'm going to right click on it and save image as, and I'll just call it Skyrim 1. And where is it going to? It's going to my desktop. So I know where it is. I know what it's called. The next thing you want to do is go to our file converter site, which is called online-convert.com. And you want to find image converter. Our target format for Fusion 360 is an SVG file. And then you choose the file. So where was it? It was on my desktop. It was called Skyrim 1. We say open. And it's going to upload this, and then we hit start to do the conversion. We just wait. In a second, it's going to give us the opportunity to download it. But if you're just a little extra patient, it auto downloads, so you don't have two of the files. So trying to save you some time and energy. So let's hop over to Fusion 360 and maybe add our Skyrim logo here. So let's turn body 1 off. So we're just focusing in on body 2. Give ourselves a little room, blow it up. And here's what happens. You put in a sketch, boom. You turn on insert and you say insert SVG. Nothing's there, but you say insert from my computer. In the downloads, there's one called Skyrim 1. You say boom, and it should be here somewhere. Now, it's rotated wrong and it's too big. So those are things that are fixable right now. If you say okay, it gets a lot harder to fix it. So the first thing I want to do is rotate it 90 degrees. Just like that. And then the second thing I want to do is shrink it, and that's when you grab this little arch and you just pull it towards the center, and that shrinks it. Okay, so get it the size you want, move it into place, double check everything, and now I can go ahead and finish the sketch and use this very simple graphic to do things like maybe, I don't know, what should we do? How about cut this in and cut this in. I'm going to say cut, and what's the distance? I don't know. How about 0.1? I'm just going to cut it. How about negative 0.1? All right, negative 0.1, and that should just cut it into the surface. And we've got a cool little logo on our box, right? Okay, so that's it for finding an image, saving it, converting it, inserting it, using it. So you don't have to be the greatest artist to make some kind of high quality looking designs of your own. Okay? You just have to know what to click on. All right.